my name's Amy and I'm a registered nurse. Your provider recently partnered with us at FitPeo in order to provide you with remote patient monitoring. So today I'll be showing you how to utilize your new equipment that you received in your home. I'll be demonstrating that with Kaylee. She's our nursing aide.
Step 1. Open the application titled FitPeo on your Android or Apple device. Step 2. Select the tab on the home page that says Weighing Machine. Step 3. Once the tab has been selected, step on the scale with bare feet.
Now Kaylee and I are going to demonstrate how to use our state-of-the-art biometric weight scale. Be sure not to use this device if you have any sort of cardiac condition and you require a pacemaker or a defibrillator, as the electrical energy could impact the settings on your current pacemaker. So, the first thing you want to do is make sure that you remove your shoes and your socks and that you are completely barefooted before stepping on the scale. Next, you can step on the scale, and as it calculates your reading, it will display up top. The great thing about this scale is that it also checks your body weight, your total body fat percentage, along with your body water, your muscle mass, your protein, your metabolic age, and a total of 13 different metrics. You can view this information in the mobile app. Your reading is now complete.
Step 5. For the weighing scale, the result will save automatically. Step 6. Go back to the home page and repeat the process. Also, you can check the trends by clicking on readings on the bottom tray to check your past readings. www.fitpeo.com. If you have questions, call or text our personalized healthcare team at 610-634-8736.